Are you ready to catapult your hospital's accessibility and patient engagement into the digital age? First, choose a user-friendly platform like WordPress or Wix and select a responsive, healthcare-themed template. Responsive design ensures the website adapts to all devices. Next, implement an online appointment scheduling system. This feature allows patients to easily book appointments, reducing phone calls and improving convenience. Now, create comprehensive doctor profiles including photos, specializations, and brief biographies. This builds trust and helps patients choose the right specialist. Detail your hospital's services with clear descriptions and relevant icons. Easy-to-understand information is key for patients seeking specific treatments. Provide essential patient resources like downloadable forms, insurance information, and patients' rights documents. Making this information readily available enhances patient experience. Make sure emergency contact information is clearly visible on every page. This ensures immediate access to critical services. Securely integrate patient portals for accessing medical records and test results. Security is paramount when handling sensitive patient data. Lastly, optimize for user experience with clear navigation, fast loading speeds, and accessibility features like alternative text for images. A well-designed site ensures all patients can access information easily.